Another similarity between Stone Age Europeans and the first Americans is that not only did they construct nearly identical tools, but they appear to have used the same process to make these tools. In interviewing Dr. Bruce Bradley, who is an archaeologist and expert in the craft of making Stone Age spear points, as well as a research associate at the Carnegie Museum, and adjunct professor at Augustana College, he stated that a unique byproduct at Clovis spear points and tool-making sites in North America is that they leave behind large amounts or mounds of specific stone flakes which are byproducts of how Stone Age Americans made their spear points. He reasoned that not only do these Stone Age American or Clovis spear points look almost exactly like those produced by Stone Age Europeans, but that if large mounds of stone flake byproducts were also found at Solutrean sites in France, then that would suggest that these spear points are actually produced the same way as well. This would further support that these early Americans were actually Europeans based on both groups using similar stone tool production methods. Exploring museums in France, this is exactly what he found. Both the European Solutreans and first Americans not only made spear points which are very similar, but they also used the same production process as well. In other words, these spear points were actually made the same way. Dr. Bradley has described this as a deep technology involving many decision points which then determine later decisions, much like a game of chess. Given this complexity, Dr. Bradley favors the idea that Clovis and Solutrean tools are actually related rather than just accidentally resembling each other. This was documented in the DVD America's Stone Age Explorers, Where Did the First Americans Come From? At 28 minutes and 50 seconds, the narrator of that Nova program stated, quote, "Clovis and Solutrean spear points not only look alike, they are made in the same unusual way." To Stanford and Bradley, this was a powerful clue that prehistoric explorers had come from Europe and brought with them the technology that transformed Stone-Aged America, the Clovis spear point. End quote.